YouTube, Big Edster here. This is going to be a small addict update. I got some kits in. This stealth fighter I got from Shop Goodwill. It's still sealed. I really like that kit. I don't know much about the Academy, but I like the stealth fighter. So that is definitely one I'm going to build for sure. You'll see. Look what I got. There's a place called 1001 Hobbies. I ordered this and got it in. It took about a month to get. But the old Razor Quest. I don't know if that's the good one, the bad one, but it's pretty cool. Definitely cool. And if you're like, give your email to Andy, he sends out, sometimes he sends out sales. And let's open this up and see what I got from Andy's Hobbies headquarters. I hate it when he does that because he kind of makes you buy stuff. All right, here's thank you for your purchase. Let's get started. Okay, what do we got in here? We got the I can't read that. I just thought it looked cool. Stuff was cheap. He had a very discounted sale going on. So we got that. We got the Ming, the 40, the Ford. So that's going to be awesome. I think Hobby, Chuck over there at Hobby Time, he did a review on this kit. Looked pretty darn good. Plus, I like my GT40s. Okay, very cool. What's this? Oh, this is the Flying Sub. It's a submarine. 1/700 scale. Cool. The Army skid steer. Wanted to get one, but they were pretty salty until this one was on sale. So again, guys, you need to go over to Andy's, and he sends out periodically. He'll send out sales on stuff. So and all this stuff was on sale. Oh, here's the other version of the Flying Sub. There it is. So another neat kit. And this is very cool. I gotta start building me some armor. There are some neat kits out there in armor. So there's that one. And this is the one too. I saw a special on this plane. That this plane, there's actually a couple of them made, and there's a show called Why They Are Abandoned. This plane was abandoned on the shore. So I'm definitely I like the matter. It's a big plane too. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's a TACM kit. Looks like I'm gonna have to attack them this soon. Oh man, I cracked myself up. And this was on sale too, so I got this. All right, that is a small addict update, bringing it to you live from the attic. This is Big Edster. Peace. Gonna go build me a model.